Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So I'm actually working on a completely different project, and it kind of went off on a tangent. Oh, what the hell, since we're on the subject of tangents, got some stickers in. DJ over at Foxburg's Fabbercobblin sent me some stickers in the mail. We did a sticker exchange, and these finally showed up in the mail not too long ago. He kind of reminds me of me a little bit from the early days. And like myself, we both kind of look towards the YouTube machinist community for knowledge and to learn how to machine stuff. So he's got a pretty good channel. He's got some pretty awesome old machines, and he's definitely worth checking out. He's also sent me a bunch of other stickers here too. Some I got already. You got the Eddies. Little Mule. I don't have his sticker. You don't have mine either then, I guess. Engineer's Workshop. And I don't know what this is. Superfan guy. Oh, Superfan Psy. Okay. Never heard of him. I'll have to go check. I'll have to do some YouTube searching for that. But anyways, that's DJ over at Foxburg's Fabbercobblin. Go check him out. There's another fella in the YouTube community who I've actually been subbed to for quite some time now, and that's Tom over at Hilltop Machine Works. Also a great channel, and definitely worth a look. He sent me this really nice decimal drill chart, because I think it's a drill chart. Yep. And I've been kind of looking around for these for a while, but I haven't really had the opportunity to find any, so thank you very much, Tom. That's going to come in very handy. So I guess as per tradition, let's get these guys up on the board. All right, there's DJ's right there. And Tom's will go right here. Excellent. Gonna need a new sticker board soon. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, now where was I? Oh yeah, tangents. Okay, so yes, I was making a fixture, and there's a couple other parts I got to do, and I thought, well, I could really use a little work stop for the milling vise. So I'm just gonna show it to you now, and then we'll meet you over at the mill. Perfect. That's what I'm doing. It's a little freaking tight though. It's pretty tight. I have to shave a little bit more off there. Really tight. Oh my gosh. A little too accurate that time. Might as well let you guys watch me bung this up. I haven't really touched anything with the mill. So give it just another 5 thousandths, I think, on one side would be just fine. Even 3 thousandths. Make it tight, not that tight. Better. You don't need it to rock like super tight. We don't want it flopping around either. Well, if we're doing it, we might as well do it all the way. Should be right. And last but not least, some of my better taps right here. I'm definitely not going to power tap this because these aren't really meant for power tap. They're hand taps. But we need lots of clearance for this though. Stick our little tap rinse guide in there. Thankfully, we got 20 inches of stroke on this. There. Really like this little tap wrench. It's got its own thing, so you don't really have to worry about it. It's got plenty of travel, so usually it's, you know, hassle free. Okay, piece of cake. I'll just tap the other one. I'll meet you guys over at the bench in a minute. Alrighty guys, here's our little carriage stop. I deburred it a little bit, not much though, because I had to get it, the little bit of burr that the screw drill kicked up actually was impeding its fit. So that's good. So it fits really good. Got a couple 1024 socket head cap screws in there. There we go. My first mill tool other than T-nuts that I made so far. That's gonna help a lot. Yeah, that's really good. That's a nice little fit. I like that. That was a fun little project, actually. I don't know if you guys noticed, I used the Joe Pye method for squaring this block up. And that's where you stick it in the vise, do a whole 5 sides, and then you can use that sides as your squared. You don't have to put any 1, 2, 3 blocks in there or nothing. And it comes out really, really good. Super simple. Now Joe Pye's got some really excellent tips. He's probably got 16 shout outs for me already. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed that. There's my little stop. I don't know if I'm going to blacken or blue it up or whatever, but for now, like I said, this just turned out to be a tangent to finish another project. So that's 2 videos coming after this one. Anyways, folks, don't forget to check out DJ's Foxburg's Fabbercobblin. Nah, it's hard to say. And Tom over at Hilltop Machine Works. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.